The boat we're going to take a video tour of today is a Pursuit 335 Offshore. She's a 2007 model named Backwash. It's a very windy day, so I'm going to try to stay out of the wind as much as I can, but she's powered by twin 250 Yamahas. They have about 750 hours, excellent running condition. You can see we've got hydraulic steering. Over here there's a transom door, and you can see we do have a portable boarding ladder here. Coaming pads all the way around here in good condition. That's a fold-out aft seat, and we do have the cushion for it. And you can see we've got rocket launchers. Nice big cockpit. There's two fold-up seats also with cushions. That's a shower, hot and cold shower right there. Below that hatch is a large fish box, and underneath that is a new Westerbeek generator. I believe the generator is a 2018 model, but it only has about an hour on it. Of course, your live well's mounted right in the center here. Tackle drawers there, and also, as I'm going to pan back around up to the forward cockpit, you've also got additional tackle drawers and storage here. There's a sink up top there. I've got a bunch of things stored there right now. Off on the port side, you can see we've got a companion seat. This boat does stay out of the water in a dry rack. It's really in good condition. A couple more drawers here. Individual captain seat with flip-up thigh rise. Early in 2018, the boat owner upgraded the electronics. This is a new Raymarine Axiom system. The autopilot and radar were also updated. So we got Raymarine autopilot, Raymarine depth speed unit. The Simrad VHF was also new in 2018. Of course, digital Yamaha gauges. So the boat's been covered all the time, as well as stored out of the water, which again all adds up to being in very good condition. You can see this forward section of windshield opens to give you natural ventilation. With the wind, I'm not going to go out on the bow, but you can see up forward that we do have a windlass. They're not on the boat currently, but the boat also does have outriggers. Okay, we'll take a step down below. You can see a gorgeous teak and holly sole floor. So we have sleeping for 2 adults in the forward V-berth. There's storage underneath. You can see there's one arm that needs to be repaired on that hatch, but that shouldn't take much. You got a hanging locker just aft of the V-berth. You can see the stereos mounted in there. Got a nice full-length dinette with a high-gloss cherry wood table. There's also a cushion that fits on top of that table to make sleeping. There's a mid-cabin that you'll see in a second. So I would say 4 to 5 comfortably can sleep in the boat. 4 comfortably, 5 on a squeeze. Full galley's got a refrigerator. Underneath that hatch is an electric stove, microwave. We've got a hot water system. Enclosed head, which is vacuum flush with a macerator. If need be, that shower, that faucet lifts out, serves as a shower wand. Again, wood steps up. Here's our electrical control panel above the mid cabin. The boat does have heating and air conditioning, of course. And you can see the current owner uses the mid cabin as storage primarily. Again, if you did want to cruise with the boat, I'd say one adult comfortably in there, two on a squeeze. Got rod racks up above here. And we talked about the Clarion Marine stereo system. Alright, we'll go back to the helm and we'll finish this little tour out here. Storage below the seat. Very well built Pursuit 335 Offshore. Updated electronics, new generator. It's offered by MarineMax. My name is Mike. I'm the listing broker. My number is 910-620-9903. That number again is 910-620-9903. Thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video.